Tired of fumbling with cash and cards? Let's ditch the bulky wallet and unlock the super convenient world of PayPal in-store payments. Alright, first things first. Unlock your smartphone and locate the PayPal app icon. Tap it to launch the app. We're about to simplify your shopping trips forever. Now, look for a button that says Scan or Pay. It might be at the bottom of your screen or somewhere prominent on the home screen. Give that a tap. This is your gateway to contactless magic. Your camera will now activate, turning into a QR code scanner. Position your phone so the camera is pointing directly at the PayPal QR code displayed at the store's checkout. Once the app recognizes the QR code, it will automatically populate the transaction details. You'll see the store's name and the amount you need to pay. Double-check everything is correct. Make sure the amount matches what you're expecting to pay and that your preferred payment method, maybe your bank account or a linked card, is selected. All good. Then tap Pay Now or a similar confirmation button. You should instantly see a confirmation screen indicating your payment was successful. That's it. You've successfully paid with PayPal in-store. With PayPal's contactless payment feature, you can leave your wallet at home and enjoy a faster, more secure, and simpler shopping experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks.